So hello guys, today I will tell you about how you can secure and save your Gmail account with the help of 4 major settings. My name is Amjad Nagri and you are watching Tech with Nagri. So let's start now. So guys, the number one and the most important setting is a recovery email. This is a very vital because most of the people made their accounts and they forget to add their recovery email. The drawback of this act is that when you will forget password, then you cannot reset your password very easily without a recovery email. So how you can do that? First of all, open your Gmail homepage and then go to your profile and click it here and then manage your Google account. Click on that. Okay, so after that you just go to the upper bar and scroll it and you will receive the security button here. Okay, security, and then go to the scroll down and go to the recovery email portion. Okay, and then you will receive a such page and you just enter your password here. Okay, just add your Gmail account which you want to recovery email. So then after adding your email, just click it next, so it will be the set. Okay, the second most important setting is a two-step verification. This is a really important. Suppose your friend have your Gmail ID and a password. If you have already activated this setting, then he cannot log in without your authorization because you will receive 6-digit code on your mobile phone. So how you can do that? Please follow my steps. Again, go to the Gmail homepage, click the profile picture and go to the manage Google accounts, and then after that go to the security button. Okay, then scroll it down and click the two-step verification. I have already completed and activated this setting. This is really important for that. Okay, so enter your password here and complete your following steps, so it will be helpful for you. I recommended you to do all these settings, so don't forget for your verification too. So this is a video for a Gmail setting for activation for more authentic security. So please, I hope you will enjoy this video and share and hit the bell icon as well for further notification. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.